Owner of Young's Hot Rods. I've been doing this for like 10 years, built from nothing. Originally I started traveling around in like, I had a $12,000 Chevy Cobalt. I just traveled around to like your shop. I worked on your car. Summer of 16, I was working at a Ford dealership and I built this. It was a 39 Chevy truck. I built this in one summer. August of that year, we were driving it. So it led to my first ever customer. But I just put it in storage and the guy come up to me and says, hey, I want to build a hot rod. I'm like, cool. So he had me over to his house and we looked at it and he said, when do you want to start? Tomorrow? You can work in my garage. And that's where it all started. So this is a 1931 Model A. We've been about 2.5 years off and on working on it. It's had every nut and bolt restored on the car. It's a fully brand new motor, all new interior. When it come to us, the bottom 6 inches of it were gone. Rotted off, there was no floors, the back of the car was missing, so we've built it back to better than new.
I worked for Anthony Young and Young's Hot Rods and Restorations for 6.5 years now. I mean, the products that we put out here are speaking for themselves. We do our best, we put our heart into them. I was born and raised here, I've lived here all my life. I mean, we have snowmobiling and hunting and fishing and you know, it's all very good things for people to come and experience and try.
I mean, we pride ourselves on doing every nut and bolt right from the frame up, where a lot of people are just a paint job. The more challenging, the harder the project, the more we dive into it. This is a 62 GMC. This customer contacted us and said, this is my dream. I've got a motor getting built in a diesel shop, the frame's there. We gotta extend the nose 20 inches to fit over this massive motor I'm putting in out of a bulldozer. And he said, I want you guys to build the sheet metal aspect of it. This is a 73 Nova. It was pretty rough shape. Everything was rotted out but the roof. We changed every panel, mini tubbed it. It's got a full tube chassis. All aluminum 427, 6-speed. We'll do every aspect of this car from start to finish.